Hello my dear students of class 10th. Welcome to maths class. Students, today we will learn cross multiplication method to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables. You can see here we have two linear equations of two variable, a pair of linear equation in two variables. We have a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are the standard equation. Now we need to find out the solution of these equation by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method, to find the solutions, we will write x, y and 1 like that. X, y and 1 only. Now just remove the x part. We will take b1, b2 in the left side of x and c1, c2 in the right side of the x. Similarly, y. We will remove this part and we will take a1, a2 and c1, c2. But after b, we will take c1, c2. So, c1, c2 already here. Now, we will take a1, a2. This side of y. a1, a2. Now, last c1, c2 we need to take. So what will we take? a1, a2 first. a1, a2 we have, and after that we will take b1, b2. b1 and b2. Repeat once again. X, remove x part, b1, b2 in the left side of x and take c1, c2 in the right side of x. Now for y, remove this y portion and take first c1, c2 this side, left side, and a1, a2 in the right side. For c1, c2 we will take first a1, a2. We have already a1, a2 here, and after that we will take b1, b2 in the right side. Now we will write x, y and 1 like that. Now for x, what will we do? We will multiply this b1 to c2 first, from this side to this side first. That means b1, c2. After that we will put minus sign and multiply b2 with c1. b2, c1. Similar process we will do with y. c1, a2, c1, a2. Now minus c2, a1. c2, a1. Okay. Now for 1. a1, no, a2, b1 first. a1, b2 first. a1, b2 first. a1, b2 minus. Now a2, b1. a2, b1. Okay. Now we need to find out the value of x. X upon this value is equal to y upon this value is equal to 1 upon this value. So to find out the value of x, we will put x upon this equal to this value. X upon b1, c2 minus b2, c1 is equal to 1 upon a2, a1, b2, a1, b2 minus a2, b1. Implies that the value of x we have. Cross multiply b1, c2 minus b2, c1 upon a1, b2 minus a2, b1. Similarly for y is equal to cross multiply this term c1, a2 minus c2, a1 upon a1, a1, b2 minus a2, b1. From calculation this values we can find out the solution of x and y. We can find out the value of x and y. Now we will take the question of exercise 3.5. The first question: which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. So students, first of all we need to find out the solution. The pair of linear equation has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. So for that we have a procedure already studied. a1, a2 is not equal to b1, b2. If the first situation, this property, this case is done, then there will be a unique solution. So a1, a2. For a1, a2, 1 upon 3. a1, 1 here and A2 is 3. So 1 upon 3. Then this is the A1, A2. Now find out the value of B1, B2. Minus 3 upon minus 9. That means again 1 upon 3 and C1, C2. That is minus 3 upon minus 2. Minus से minus cut, that is 3 upon 2. Here we can see that A1, A2 is equal to B1, B2 but not equal to C1, C2. So both the line are parallel to each other, so there will be no solution. The first question, there will be no solution, and if there will be no solution, we will not find out the solution of these equation by cross multiplication method. Okay. Now question 2 we have 2x plus y is equals to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So first of all we will write it in the standard form. 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. So first of all we will find now it has one solution, unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. So A1, A2, 2 upon 3. B1, B2 we have here B1 that is 1 and B2 2. And C1, C2 we have minus 5 upon minus 8. That means 5 upon 8. So here A1, A2 is 2 upon 3 and B1, B2 is 1 upon 2. So A1, A2 is not equal to B1, B2 here. So there is unique solution. Okay, now we will find out the solution of these equations by cross multiplication method. Now we will write x here, y and 1. Now x part, leave it. After that B1, B2. B1 is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 we will write here. C1, C2 minus 5 and minus 5 and minus 8. For the y, C1, C2 I have already taken. Now A1, A2. That is C1, C2 and A1, A2. 2 and 3 we have. For 1, that means this part we want to take, we have to take A1, A2. 2 and 3 we have already taken. Now 1 and 2. This side 1 and 2. Now x upon multiply 1 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5. Keep it in the bracket. Y is equal to minus 5 into 3 minus 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1. 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 1. Open the bracket. X upon minus 8 and 1. Minus 8 minus 5 multiplied by 2 minus 10 and minus plus 10 is equal to y upon 5 3 is 15 minus 15 minus 8 2 is 16 minus 16 and minus plus 16 is equal to 1 upon 2 2 is 4 minus 3 1 is 3. X is equal to 10 minus 8 2. Y 16 minus 15 1 is equal to 4 minus 3 1. So what will we do? Now we will put individually. X upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 1. X upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 1. Cross multiplication, x is equal to 2 we have. Y upon 1 is equals to 1 upon 1. Y is equals to 1. So the value of x is equals to 2 and the value of y is equals to 1 is the solution of this pair of linear equation by the cross multiplication method. Okay students? Students of class 10th, now this is the question number 2 of the same exercise which we are doing. The first part of the second question is, for which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? So we need to find out the value of a and b here. For that, the pair of linear equation having infinitely many solutions. So we have a condition for infinitely many solution, that is a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2 is equal to c1 and c1 upon c2. Okay, so here a1 we have 2 and a2 we have a minus b. So 2 upon a minus b. B1 we have 3 and B2 A plus B. So 3 upon A plus B is equal to C1 C2. C1 we have 7 and C2 we have 3A plus B minus 2. 7 upon 3A plus B minus 2. Okay. Now we will take first two conditions. 2 upon A minus B is equal to 3 upon A plus B. Now cross multiply. We have 2A plus 2B is equal to 3A minus 3B. Now 3A minus 2A, 3 minus 3B minus 2B is equal to 0. 3A minus 2A, we have A minus 3B and minus 2B. We will add 5B and the sign will be minus here. So A minus 5B is equal to 0. Now we will take these two terms. 3 upon A plus B is equal to 7 upon 3A plus B minus 2. Again cross multiplication. 3 3 are 9, 3 3 are 9A, 3B minus 3 2 are 6 is equal to 7A plus 7B. 9A minus 7A plus 3B minus 7B is equal to minus 6 is here and here it will be plus 6. Okay. Now 9A minus 7A, 2A plus 3B minus 7B. 7B is greater, so here we have minus 4B is equal to 6. 2 will common 2A. 2 we will take common 2A, then A minus 2 2 is 4, 2B, 2 3 is 6 is equal to 3. So A minus 2B is equal to 3 we have. This is the equation number 2 and this is the equation number 1. We will subtract equation number 2 from the equation number 1. Equation number 1 we have A minus 5B is equal to 0. Equation number 2 we have A minus 2B is equal to 3. So on subtracting the sign will be changed. Here we will put the minus, here minus we have, so we will put plus and here we will put minus. Plus A and minus A cancel out. Minus 5B plus 2B is equal to minus 3B. And here we have minus 3. Minus is cutted by minus 3. 1 is 3. So the value of B we have B. So put the value of B in the equation number 1. Equation number 1 we have A minus 5B is equal to 0. A minus 5 into the value of B, that is 1. 5 1 is 5. Minus 5 we have A minus 5 is equal to 0 or A is equals to 5. So the value of B we have 1 and the value of A we have 5. So for A is equals to 5 and B is equals to 1, the given pair of linear equation have infinitely many solutions. Okay students.